Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js date manipulation library where you can manipulate with dates, you can add dates, you can parse the dates as well. So this is actually the package date-fns. So this is actually a very simple example where we have a button right here where we display the current date here. You will see in this format. And we have this button to add 5 days to this current date. So as I click the button, you will see it will add 5 days and the date will be updated. And you can even parse the current date as well. So this is actually, if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is date-fns, this is actually the package, modern date utility kind of package. This is actually the command. I have already installed it, so it's almost having 17 million downloads. So I will just show you a very basic example. So just make a simple functional component. And first of all, we need to import the actual package. And the package name is date-fns. And from this package, we have various methods to format the date, add days, and parse it in ISO format. So all these methods are available from this package. Now to use it, it is very much easy to, first of all, I will declare a variable for declaring the date. So state useState will use the hook and initial value will be the current date, today's date. We'll be using the date constructor. So this will give me the today's date. Now to show the date in the browser, we actually, first of all, we will show the current date. And for this, we will be using this function, format function that we imported early on. If you see from this package, so this contains this format function. So here you specify the date that you want to display, and now the format is very important. So here you will write this format which includes the current year, the current month, the current day. So this is the actual format that we specify right here. So if you refresh your application, now you will see the current date, which is 2024, which is the year, 12 is December, 25 is the date. So it's actually displaying the today's date. So then we have a simple button to add, let's suppose, 5 days to the current date. So you'll bind this on click listener. So when we click this button, we will execute this function handle add days. So this function will be responsible for adding the dates. So we'll just define this function right here. So const handle add days. We will define this function. So inside this function, we declare a new date. So we actually call this function add days, which are coming from this package. It is used to add the days. We put the current date, which is in this date variable. We put a comma and 5. So it will add 5 days to the current date, and then it will update it using this function, hook function, and it will be the new date. So now if you see, we have added this button. So once you click the button, the date will now get updated accordingly. So you will see that. So now we have a second button which will be responsible for parsing the date. So in date-fns, you can even parse a date as well. So here I will just write a simple function. Here you can provide a date accordingly. So when you click this button now, we will simply bind a on-click listener. So here we are providing this date here in this format, if you see. And now we need to convert this to a, so for this we actually need to declare this function. So this function will be responsible for converting this format that you see right here to an actual date. So for this we are using this parsing. So we are parsing this string, which is a ISO this string, and converting it to a actual date. So in this way you can parse the dates. So it's a fully date manipulation library or package you can directly use inside React.js. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.